Hi.
My dog and my cat are fighting, which I'm gonna let them. Just kind of cute, you know. Kind of cute. Starting a new series where they fight, and you leave down in the comments which one wins, and then which one wins gets a special snack. I'll make for it, and I'll post those videos on another page I'm gonna make the same page. Today, I'm not going to start the series, but I'll do one first video in about an hour. So, yeah. I'm going to do a lot of work on this because I'm going to do a little bit of animation and stuff. Yeah, Mom's going to help me. I would really love some subscribers. Really love some. Because if you subscribe, his cancer will go away. And he'll stop suffering. See? He hurts. And Kiki. Every time you subscribe, I will personally go to your account, your YouTube account, and subscribe for you. Yeah, I really need them. Think about the kitties. And remember, laughter is a good medicine.